Makes a strong bingo activity. So, first, I want you to think about what do you love to do? While we're outside of the classroom and you have this chance to do these creative activities, I want you to look through the bingo menu and find what do you want? What do you enjoy doing? Find those things. Circle those things. Say you're a person who loves to draw and loves to create. What I suggest you do is go into your reading folder where this document is located and maybe put a circle around some of the things that you know over the next few weeks you want to try. So that way, when you get to a Tuesday or a Thursday and you're like, it's bingo day, you've already selected the things that you think you would do a great job at. So let's say I'm a person who loves art. I've circled all of the things that I think that I would enjoy. I'm going to do a loose parts portrait. I'm going to create a map using watercolor. I'm going to design an award. And then maybe next week I'll do a movie poster. And then I'm going to analyze the cover of the book. And all of those things are of my interest. And, I've realized that when I do something that I enjoy, it usually comes out a whole lot better than something I'm not that interested in. Now, I'm not saying don't push yourself into some of the other areas because we definitely want you to branch out. But I think for these first few times, pick something that you're confident with and that you enjoy doing. My father always says, a job worth doing is a job worth doing well. So when you're doing one of these bingo activities, don't just do it an okay job. Do a great job. If you're going to spend the time doing it, put a lot of time into it and be proud of what you do. So I want you to think about each one of these bingo activities as using the writing process. Pick which one, make a plan, create several drafts, maybe get a notebook or paper and do it kind of with pencil and paper first. Then ask for advice. Show me it, or Zoom with somebody, a classmate, or check with a parent and see if they have any revision ideas for you. And then it can be the time to publish on Seesaw. So don't just do one draft and say it's your best work. Think about it like the writing process. Plan it out, draft, make revisions, and then publish. Like I was saying before, take your time. These activities should not be 2 minutes. They should take at least 15 minutes if you're doing a really wonderful job. And then when it comes time to publish, you're going to have first drafted on paper or maybe using like a Google Doc to draft your ideas, but then create something to put on Seesaw, whether you take a picture of it or you take a video, present it on Seesaw. And that's where the teachers will be looking for it. So, whatever you do and whatever you choose, make sure you're doing it well. In short, we want you to pick something that will let you have fun, be creative, dedicate your time to it, and be proud of what you produced. We are excited to see what you guys come up with for your bingo boards. Bye, third graders.